It's EURUSD, one of the easiest pairs to analyze on the financial market. When we talk about EURUSD is in forex. Okay, so let's look at EURUSD analysis on the daily time frame. That's where you should first do your analysis from. The higher time frame, the bigger picture, the better. So when you look at the higher time frame, the daily, you would see this is a downtrend, and don't mind on this black line over here. Just mind more of the trend right now, and when you look at it carefully, you'll see some points where you could label your support and resistance. Try to look at it carefully. This is the EURUSD. It's extremely easy to do analysis from this, and I would suggest, if you are starting out, like, just try to give your emphasis more on such a pair. EURUSD, if it's not EURUSD, then GBP USD, before even you go to the amplified pairs. So I'm going to pick the rectangle over here and place it over here, where this will be our zone. This is it's our resistance zone. Okay, when we go on the 4-hour time frame, you could now see that here, this is our zone. This zone here is a support zone. The upper one was the resistance zone, which we got from the daily. Now when we go to the 1 hour, that's when we can clearly see that this black line here is our support zone, where the market comes back on it and bounces up. So this is a strong zone. So let's go to the lower time frame and see how it reacts. You can see over here on your first perspective, you could clearly see that now this market wants to bounce down from this zone. It no longer wants to bounce up. So the criteria is to look at when the market wants to bounce down. Let's check it on the lower time frames, on the 5-minute or the 1 minute, but 1 minute it's quite more accurate, so I'll prefer a 1 minute time frame. So when you look at the 1 minute time frame, it's over there. You can see that it raised the wick and then bounced below. That means the market is now making a reverse here, and at this point the market was moving very fast when it was trying to break this zone here, this support zone, this black line. And when it came back to retest, it came a bit slowly. Then that's when you put your entry. Your entry, you put it somewhere in the middle, or should I say on the head of the wick of the one which made the wick to bounce on the black line. So that's it, and that will be your entry. And where to get your take profit, your take profit will go somewhere on that zone there, that rectangle, because you can see that when the market was trying to make its move upwards, that this zone here was the high. It was the high. So like now we are going to use this as our take profit zone. Like the market can do anything from there, because that's a strong zone. Okay, so if you find this highly helpful, like, you will just please subscribe so that you can keep on supporting the work that is made from my analysis, and also I would like you to comment something.